Today we're going to take a look inside the Organize 365 Sunday basket. The Organize 365 Sunday basket comes with the physical components I'm going to show you here. Also included are a bunch of online resources. So first, we have a two-part video series that's going to walk you through the difference between 1.0 and 2.0 Slash Pockets. We have a virtual Q&A every other Tuesday in our Facebook group, and every Sunday there's a 90-minute virtual Sunday basket workshop that you could do with a professional organizer. So first, let's set up our box. So the Sunday basket box comes in a few pieces. There's a lid, and you're just going to open up your box and put it inside of that lid. So the lid goes on the bottom. And then there's an insert divider that is going to divide your box into 1/3 and 2/3. Then you'll be able to Velcro onto the sheet in here. You can match it up all the way so it's nice and tight, or you can make it a little bit looser so you can fit more in this side. This is our box. Inside of our box, we are going to have the things inside of this packet. So let's look in the packet. Included are two sets of slash pockets. This is called a 1.0, and this is called a 2.0. The 1.0 slash pockets come in 5 colors. The pockets are two-sided, and they have an Organize 365 emblem on the back. The 1.0 slash pockets are the same for anyone who does the Sunday basket. We're going to label all 5 of those the same. Those are going to be in your training video, and these are the slash pockets that you will go through every single week. The 2.0 slash pockets come in 4 colors, and each of those colors also has 5 slash pockets. They're the same design as the 1.0. They're double-sided slash pockets with the Organize 365 embossed on the back. And what's different about these slash pockets than any other slash pockets you've ever seen before is they're all the same color. So we have 5 purple, 5 pink, 5 green, and 5 blue. And the beauty of the Sunday basket box is that each of these colors means something, but how you label them is different for you. So the Sunday basket system is a place, there's a larger section in the front where you drop in your to-dos and your actionables and your mail and the requests that people have on your time. And then every Sunday you take all of that out and you sort them into these different slash pockets. Sorting is first, action is second. When you sort them into the basic 1.0 slash pockets, these are things we're going to do every week. They are our weekly actionables, anything to go on our calendar or our computer, errands that we need to run, anything related to finances, and anything we're waiting until next Sunday for. So everyone is going to do those the same. This is the Organize 365 Sunday basket.